Samsung amazed everyone with its newest creation, the Galaxy Smart Ring, at the 2024 Mobile World Congress. This innovative device, shaped like a tiny wheel, promises to change how we use wearable tech by tracking important health data. Packed with sensors to monitor blood oxygen levels and sleep patterns, the Galaxy Ring can last between 5 to 9 days on a single charge. That's really impressive given the size of the ring. It comes in different sizes and battery capacities, ranging from 14.5 milliamperes to 21.5 milliamperes, and weighs only 2.3 to 2.9 grams, ensuring comfort for users. One unique feature of the Galaxy Ring is its limited compatibility with Apple's iPhone. Samsung's MX head, Lu Taiwen, clarified during the MWC 2024 General Assembly that initially, the Galaxy Ring will only work with Galaxy phones, with plans to expand to other Android devices later on. Notably, iPhones won't be compatible, and that's really a big problem for Apple, given the fact that the iPhone market is huge. Unpacked, VP of Samsung's digital health team, has high hopes for the Galaxy Ring, aiming to persuade iPhone users to switch to Galaxy phones. The Galaxy Ring is so great that it will make people want to switch, Pass said in an interview. Undoubtedly, Samsung is following Apple's path to create a monopoly in the smartphone industry. But Samsung should consider the fact that recently Apple was fined by the European Union regulators for thwarting competition, so Samsung should avoid making the same mistake. As excitement grows for its release later this year, the Galaxy Ring showcases Samsung's dedication to pushing wearable tech boundaries and attracting Android users worldwide. With its advanced features and sleek design, the Galaxy Ring is set to leave a lasting impression in the smart accessories market. So what do you guys think of this new upcoming smart ring from Samsung? Do you think it is enough to make Apple users switch sides? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.